Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.